Okay, we have chef here going to cook fried rice. Yes, Chef Eldie has all the ingredients there for the fried rice. And it starts with the garlic. There you go. The best way to feed your guests is fried rice. What are you going to put, Chef? Onions, yes. Easiest thing to cook nowadays is fried rice. And you can use any leftovers. And of course, you need some eggs. Okay, these are the leftovers. Chorizo and ham. Is that ham? Oh, look at that. Huh? Any leftovers can be good for any guest who's very, very hungry. Look at that. Huh? I can smell it, but you can't. This is going to be one of the best fried rice. And Chef Eldie is very, very busy cooking. Fried rice with eggs is the best. What is that, Chef Eldie? Okay, without eggs, you cannot cook fried rice. Most important are the eggs. I don't think you can ever eat fried rice without eggs or it won't be as tasty. So don't forget, any leftover food turns into a fried rice. Ah, that looks yummy, Chef Eldie. There you go, and here comes the rice. Depends on the visitors you have. And that's Chef Eldie working with Mama Cora and Tito Mario. Maybe you can also put some soy sauce, huh? Oh, we have an assistant here, huh? That's a little oil. Yes. Chef Eldie has so many assistants. Yes. Everybody loves to cook. That's gonna be yummy. Wow, Noelle is also cooking, huh? But she doesn't like to include herself on the video. But Noelle learned from the dad. Yes, Mark Sung, who's a very good cook. And is that the last one? It's gonna be the soy sauce. Yes, just to add a little color. Yes. Any soy sauce can do. I don't think you put vinegar on a fried rice, correct? No. Yes. Are we gonna put some salt and pepper on the fried rice? Yes. And here comes the salt and pepper. A sprinkle of the salt and pepper is just enough for delicious fried rice by Chef Eldie. And what is that?
Soy sauce.
More soy sauce? Okay. This will feed a family of at least 6 people using leftovers. Wow. I can smell it, but you can't. The famous Filipino leftover fried rice being cooked by Chef Eldie. Yes, you just have to keep on mashing those rice. So when you start eating it, it becomes really, really, really yummy. Okay, now this is the technique. You put it inside the bowl just for presentation purposes. So it is gonna look so yummy. Okay, now let's put the fried rice on the plate. Okay. Yes. Oh, look at that. Huh? Okay, and it's still looking good. Wow, with some garlic on top. Serve mo na. All right. For the hungry people who wants to eat fried rice. All leftover food. Yes. Leftover food can be eaten.
Baron fried rice.
Now, it's time to enjoy the fried rice. All right. Okay, looks yummy. By Chef Eldie.